Hello everyone, this is Zine. Today you'll be my guest and I will show you what a Chinese leading razor factory looks like and the process of making razor blade. Everything starts from raw material. Xirui usually purchases Shuidong steel strip, which are known for their sharpness, durability, smoothness, and safety. The strip must be kept in a dry and well-ventilated environment. After selecting, the strip will undergo pressing. The strip first enters a punch machine that gives the overall shape of the blade by pressing. When the steel strip passes through the presses, it will be formed into blade contours. These unfinished blade undergoing processing are called blanks. At this stage, the blade remains very soft and palatable as paper. To enhance hardness and flexibility, thermal treatment is applied. There are 4 steps in the thermal processes.
Step 1. The blanks undergo preheating in a furnace to over 850 Celsius for about 30 seconds. Step 2. These blanks are quenched at 1100 Celsius. Step 3. They are rapidly cooled in a freezer at -85 Celsius. All this restructures the molecules, making the metal hard, but at this point the blades become very brittle. So here comes step 4. Reheating the blanks for 20 seconds to relieve internal stresses and enhance ductility.
If the production involves customized blades, a logo will need to be printed on the blades. Machine will accurately imprint the brand on the blade's surface. Here is the grinding workshop.
In the finishing workshop, where grinding and polishing steps are completed, it will grind, hone, and finish the blades as well as form the edges. First, the 3 grinding stations in the machine sharpen the contours of the blades, producing 2 super sharp edges. Then, the blades pass through the polishing station to remove barriers and shear marks. The final step involves slicing the steel strip into separated blades.
Here the blades are separated by a machine which can cut them 20,000 pieces per hour, and then the lab will take samples from the production line to test if they meet the criteria, including the grinding and the geometry of the cutting edge. In the lab, technician uses grinding angle tester to check to cutting edge size, making defects visible. Blades that are qualified will be sent for cleaning.
Qualified blades are washed here with a solvent under vacuum environment to remove contaminants and dried.
Next, these blades are transported into another vacuum chamber, undergoing chromium and titanium coating to make blades harder and more resistant. Later, the blade surface receives a PTFE coating to enhance edge smoothness, which will help the blades slide more comfortably over the skin. To make sure the coating permanently adheres to the blade's surface, sintering is an indispensable procedure. The blades are baked within a furnace at around 400 Celsius for about 15 minutes, and the inspector will use a microscope to check blade edge again for flatness and the coating adhesion. Back in production, Workers submerge the razor blades in organic oil for about 15 minutes. This provides additional protection against the corrosion. So the last step is packaging. These blades enter the automated packaging facility. The equipment wraps each blade individually in the wax paper. The wax coating on the paper helps protect the razor blades against the corrosion during storage. Wax paper is also stronger than regular paper, so the blade's razor-shaped edges do not cut through it. The trademark will be printed on the overwrap. Individual blades are then mechanically loaded into small boxes. These are packaged blades. This is the final product.